today I'm going to do a DIY, which is a earphone case. We all use earphones, and because of online classes, we use it much more. So while keeping it, we just tangle it around our fingers and we keep it anywhere we want to. But are we managing our earphones properly? No. So for managing them, I made this earphone case. It's made out of paper, but yeah, it's not that flimsy. So you can store anything in it. It's a multi-purpose box. I store earphones in it. You can also store some pins and earrings. So you can keep anything in this box. But today I'm going to show its use of a earphone case. So yes, let's get started with the video.
So friends, here I have two sheets of square pieces. Okay, you can take any color. I am choosing green and pink here. You can choose any color as per your choice. Okay, now we are going to start. So I'm going to first show you in the green piece that how you have to make, and then the same process you have to repeat in the pink piece. Okay, so now first of all you have to divide this, basically fold this sheet into half like this. Okay, now from here also you have to fold it. Make sure that your folds are crisp and clean, means you have to fold it really nicely. So yes, we are done by folding these two folds. Okay, now we are going to do the next step, which is by folding it like this. Okay, we are going to fold this in a triangular shape. So like this we are going to fold it. Now the next, from all sides you have to fold it like this only, like a diamond shape. And the last side, yes. So we are done by folding this much. Now we are going to fold this into half. Okay, now how I'm going to show you, so pay attention. We are going to get this side and we are going to fold it in the middle. Okay, till here, means we are going to do half fold. Like this, like a door. And from the other side we are going to do the same. I am done by folding this much. Now we are going to open this up. Okay, now we are going to fold this from here. Okay, from these two sides. We folded from these two sides. Now we are going to fold from these two sides. Okay, we are going to repeat the same. Yes, we are done by folding from here too. Now we are going to open one side up like this. Okay, then we are going to fold it like this. It's already folded, so we just need to do it once again. Okay, like this. Now what we are going to do, as you can see this triangular area here, this is the triangle. Okay, this is right angle. So from here you are going to poke your finger like this, and then you are going to get this placed here. Same thing you are going to do with the other side. Get your finger poked and place it like this. Now the top part, you are going to get it flattened up like this. Okay, like a box. Basically you are making box only. So you are going to just get it tucked in. Okay, now you are going to repeat the same process for this side. Tuck your finger, tuck your finger from another side too, and just get it in. Okay, flatten it up. So you can glue the inside part, like you can glue this triangles, but I don't feel like gluing it because it's really sturdy. You can use a bit thick paper, that's origami paper. You can use that paper so that it will be much more sturdier, because the normal paper is really thin. So that's why you use this origami paper, and I'm also using it. Now we are going to repeat the same process with the another box. Okay, so first I am just folding it into halves. Then I'm going to take this portion and I'm going to get it shaped into a triangle and just do it nicely. Now from another side too, we are going to repeat this in all the sides. We are done. Now we are going to fold it into half, right? So let's fold it. Now here also. We are done. Now we are going to open it up, and then we are going to repeat the same with these two sides. Yes, we are done. Now we are going to open it up like this, and we are going to fold from here, half fold from here, another half fold from here, like this. Now we are going to poke our finger in. Watch the process nicely. See, we are going to take this right angle. You can see this is a triangle, right? You need to take your finger, you need to just poke it in like this, and then just repeat the same with the other side. Okay, and just get this flattened enough, somewhat like this. Now repeat the same step with this one. So yeah, we are done with another box too. So if you want, you can also glue in here, glue the triangles, but I do not need it, as I told you. So yes, you can store in your earphones. Let me just show you. Box is ready, our earphone case is ready. You can see how clean it is, how spick and span it is. So you can keep your phones in it, or else you can keep some small types of earrings like this in it, or else you can also keep some small rubber bands in it. So yeah, do make it, and also drop me a comment if you like it.
So friends, we are done with our DIY. I hope that you like it. So if you like the video, so do hit the like button. Also, if you make it, it's useful for you, then do comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Also click on the bell icon for further notifications. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.